The 2027 Cord 812 just walked up to every car ever built, looked them dead in the eyes, handed them a participation trophy, and drove off before they could even process what happened. Listen, I've covered a lot of cars on this channel. Hypercars, supercars, cars that cost more than my neighborhood. But y'all, nothing, and I mean nothing, could have prepared me for what I'm about to describe. The 2027 Cord 812 Coupe is not a car. It is a civilizational event. Buckle up, because your brain is about to send you its 2-week notice. First, that finish. Hyper-reflective liquid emerald. This thing doesn't just sit in a parking lot. It absorbs the entire world around it like a polished gem dropped from a different dimension. You walk past it, and you can literally see yourself reconsidering your life decisions in the reflection. Then there's the monolithic floor-to-ceiling chrome waterfall grille. It's not a grille. It's a statement of dominance. Pair that with sweeping aerodynamics and colossal jewelry-grade wire wheels, and what you've got is a silhouette so clean, it should be illegal in 47 states. Now step inside, slowly, because this cabin is operating on a completely different frequency. We're talking diamond-stitched cream leather, dark verdant accents, and a crystalline gear selector that looks like it was personally commissioned by Mother Nature herself. And in the rear lounge, a built-in crystal decanter service. Because apparently when you're flying down the Autobahn at 300+ miles per hour, you deserve a proper pour. Honestly, deep breath. Under that sculpted hood lives a handcrafted, gold-accented V16 Hyper-Dynamo engine, and it produces 5,000 horsepower. 5,000, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 1.2 seconds. 1.2. Your blink takes longer than that. Scientists had to convene an emergency meeting. Physics filed a formal complaint. This isn't an engine. It's a reckoning $45 million, which, for the most powerful vehicle ever constructed in the history of human civilization, honestly sounds like they forgot a zero. This is the kind of car that doesn't sit in a garage. It becomes the garage's entire personality. So here's my question for you, and I need you to answer this in the comments right now. Would you rather have the 2027 Cord 812, or would you take the $45 million in cash? Because I've been staring at this thing for 3 hours, and I still don't have an answer. Hit that like button until it begs for mercy. Share this with someone who still thinks they know what a car is. And subscribe to Drivium X, because this channel doesn't do ordinary ever. Catch you on the next one. Let's go.